Hello and welcome back to another new video of Craxoid. I have installed Android 12 Arrow OS on this Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, and you can install this Android 12 Arrow OS on any Miatoll devices like Redmi Note 9S, Redmi Note 9 Pro, PocoM2Pro, and obviously on Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. I have this Redmi Note 9 Pro Max with Android 12 Arrow OS ROM installed, and I'm going to give you the review and installation process of this ROM. So without any further ado, let's start. So this is the initial update of Android 12 on Arrow OS. First of all, I'll show the about phone section where you can see Android version 12 with its new Easter egg, which looks really good. When you place clock at 12, then it looks something like this. And there is Android security patch update of October 5, 2021. As I already said, this is the initial update Android 12 on this Arrow OS, so you won't get much feature as compared to Android 11 based Arrow OS ROM. Talking about missing features, it currently doesn't have face unlock feature, but fingerprint and pattern works. Also, there is no pixel launcher used in this ROM. There is quick step launcher applied, which is not that bad, but pixel launcher is our favorite one. Although Google Play Store is available, but pixel launcher is missing in this ROM, and double tap to wake option is functioning well. Google dialer is used, and there is no any call recording option present. But good thing is device is certified in this ROM, as default Safetynet status is passed, and I haven't rooted my phone. And if you get any error on Safetynet or device not certified problem, then you can easily fix now. I have made a separate video on that topic with 6 methods. And I checked on DRM info app, there it is showing Widevine L3 security level. Talking about other thing, it has Snapdragon camera pre-installed, and there is no any issue on this camera. You can also install Gcam, which works properly. And if you don't know how to find perfect Gcam for your phone, then you can watch my another video where I have explained 4 different methods to download Gcam for your device. All the necessary links will be in the description section. The Android 12 feature that will change accent according to the color of wallpaper applied works in this ROM. For example, I'll change the wallpaper and check how this works. Now this is the accent color in quick setting panel, and I'll change and apply this wallpaper on my home and lock screen. And as soon as wallpaper is applied, then it automatically changes accent color, as you can see on the screen. This is how notification panel looks like, and it is completely changed as compared to Android 11, and I like this new quick setting too. Also, power menu button is attached in this quick setting. You can pull down notification to hide it, and when you swipe off from the bottom on quick setting, the notification section will appear from where you can see all the notifications of your phone easily. This is simple and handy feature that will be helpful for many people. There are some new features implemented which you can directly access from quick setting, like there is mic and camera access and blocked toggle, which you can apply with just one tap. Also, there is FPS info available, which will show real-time frame per seconds, and from developer option you can enable current refresh rate too. And now extra dim feature is officially available on this Android 12. Also, nearby share feature is available, and you can enable both hotspot and Wi-Fi at the same time. And there is screen record option available, which can record device audio and from microphone at same time. And other features like dark theme, gesture navigation, and one hand mode are also available. And on settings section, there is not so much additional features implemented, as this is the initial build, so it does not have any additional Android 12 features for now, but soon it is going to be available. Now talking about battery, the battery backup of this ROM is good, and on battery setting it has some features like thermal profiles, battery saver, and battery manager, and from here you can enable or disable battery percentage on status bar. And at last, there is Xiaomi parts, where some features of Xiaomi phone are added. Features like MI sound enhancer, display color calibration, LCD features, FPS info, Xiaomi Doge, clear speaker and USB fast charge are available. And inside LCD features there is SBM and CAVC mode available. SBM means high brightness mode, which is very helpful when we use our phone on extreme sunlight condition. This will increase the maximum brightness of the display to improve visibility under bright sunlight, and this will also use more power consumption. And CAVC means content adaptive backlight control, which adjusts display and backlight brightness based on currently shown content on screen to reduce power consumption without degradation. So these are the features that are currently available on this Android 12 on Arrow OS. Now let's see how to install this ROM. So to install this ROM, first download Android 12 Arrow OS from description section. Then reboot phone to custom recovery section. On custom recovery, first go to wipe section and select Dalvik, cache and data, then swipe to wipe. Then go to file section and tap on that Arrow OS ROM file and install it. After installation complete, then you need to format your phone, so don't forget to keep backup before proceeding. Then go to wipe section again and tap on format data and type yes and tap on tick mark. Then it will format your device. Now reboot phone to system. Then the Android 12 Arrow OS will be installed on your Miatoll device. So this is all about unofficial Arrow OS based on Android 12. This is simple ROM with smooth experience for daily use. This ROM is okay to use, but you won't be getting much Android 12 features for now. But if you want to try Android 12, then here you have. I have been using this ROM for some days and it's okay for normal usage. That is all about this A12 Arrow OS. I hope you like this video, and if you do, then hit the like button, share this video, comment your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe Craxoid. Also hit the notification bell. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.